Hi everyone, this is Akash and I'll today show you how to install Portainer on your Ugreen NAS. As usual, I'll be showing you how to do this with the GUI alone and will not touch command prompt at all. Many people ask me for this tutorial. Uh, Now, you will see me generally using the default Docker app because that's good enough for basic uses. But if you're an advanced user, then of course you would want to have Portainer. So click on Docker, click on projects, click on create. We're going to use Docker Compose for this. I'll tell you why we need to use Docker Compose. Give it a name. Whatever name you give, it's automatically, okay, so I have a file here. Okay, so whatever name you give, it creates a directory on that name. And this is the Docker Compose file that we are going to use. The link to this is there in the description. You can copy paste. Now let me explain what this does. This is a good practice always to understand, before you copy and paste anything onto your NAS. We're going to create a service called Portainer, and this is the image that we're going to use. This is the official image. So you can see it here on hub.docker.com. This is the verified publisher, Portainer key. This is the image that we're going to use. Container name, restart policy. Two ports we are going to map. 9443 is the main port where your HTTPS server runs. This is how you will access your Portainer. And 8000 port is there, which is just an internal tunnel that's internally used. We will not need to use that. On mine, probably 8000 is taken. So I'll use 8009 and 9449. So what I'm saying is that Portainer will run on 9443, but from the host, from Ugreen, 9449 port will be forwarded to 9443. So I'll access it on 9449 now. This is the reason why we had to use our Docker Compose file, because we need access to Docker socket. Here what we're saying is that this Docker socket on the host on Ugreen should be available to our Portainer on this location. And this is where we'll save our data. Inside this Portainer 2 directory, there'll be another directory created called Portainer data, and data will be saved there. Click on deploy, wait for it to pull the image and create it. Okay, Portainer 2 is running. Okay, so I have to access it on 9449. So 10.30.30.208 9449. Let's do that. And this will be on HTTPS. Remember that. If we do this, it will not work because this is an HTTPS port. Okay, it gives me the warning because this is running locally, and locally you can never have a certificate, right? Accept that it can continue. All right, your Portainer is here. Create a user and click on home. You see this? This is your socket file. This is connected. Click on this and you shall see everything. It shows you two containers. One is our clone, which is Portainer, which is basically what we have created here, right? So it got the access to your Docker socket file, and this is presenting whatever is there in your Ugreen now in the Portainer interface. This is it. If you have any questions, any comments, anything that you want to add, please feel free to ask them in the comments and I'll come back to you. Thanks a lot.